In 2024, a robot vacuum in Boston began pushing furniture into the middle of the room and arranging objects in a circle, as if staging a protest. The vacuum's owners were perplexed when they found their living room in disarray each morning. It turned out that a software update had confused the vacuum's cleaning patterns, leading to the odd behavior. The story became a viral sensation, with people joking that the vacuum was protesting against overwork. Subscribe, like, and follow me for more stories. Did you know that?